Hi there. In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add payment method cash and delivery in Odoo website. So before starting, make sure that you have admin access to your Odoo website, and this will allow your customers to pay manually when receiving orders, and it will increase flexibility. So once you're on your Odoo, what you will have to do is go to your website, and then you will click configuration, and what you will do is once you're on your configuration is you will look for um payment acquirers or payment providers. So just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is click cash and delivery or select cash and delivery. And then next what you will do is basically just uh you will make sure that um your cash on delivery is enabled. And yeah, that's basically just it. And finally, you will just have to go to your website checkout and ensure that this option right here is toggled on, and or it appears as a payment section for your Odoo website. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.